Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to introduce the Katago user interface that you will probably never be using for any of your purposes, but still a very interesting one in my opinion. So it all started with the IGS client, the custom client to play at Pandanet IGS Go server, which is essentially a telnet console that you can use, and you can even use the Linux terminal just by Linux terminal textual interface to play that. But I've added the support to synchronize the board state to the inner ASCII representation of the board, which is available on IGS. So I love this design idea so much that I thought that there are lots of similarities between the telnet console being forwarded to the web interface and synchronized into the board state with the graphical board. And exactly the same thing we have for the Katago, but instead of IGS specific telnet commands, we have the GTP command. So the GTP shell is forwarded to the user interface, and that's the way how it works. And it might seem that it's highly impractical, and essentially it is highly impractical. However, there is one interesting usage for this kind of piece of software that I came up with just basically yesterday. So at first I made it, then I thought, okay, this is yet another absolutely pointless piece of software that I've done. I have lots of those on GitHub. But then I realized that it might have a very interesting application. And after I've improved my GoRank estimator a little bit so that it not only prints the eventual position but prints the move numbers in a keyfu style. It introduces a very interesting way to work out your Go skills that I'm currently testing. So not sure how likely that is going to work, but anyway. So let's have a look at the software itself. So again, just probably to give you an idea regarding the initial inspiration. So I made this IGS client. I've been demonstrating this IGS client. So here I can log into, I just don't want to expose my password, so I just log in with a guest account. And just to give an idea that we can have a look at the games, let's see the game 208 for instance. So I do observe 208 and I can enjoy watching the game. Also I can play the game. I've been showing this in some of the other videos. So yeah, we got the board, we got the output, and we can input the command. And exactly the same thing works with this one. So this is like a clone basically in terms of the design patterns and the UI itself. But here you see like it runs the Katago, and I can do, say, list commands. Yeah, obviously you need to know GTP commands to make use of it. You can manually do things like play black Q16 for instance, and it would synchronize to the board. You can also manually type in the moves. Yeah, you can also do gen move for black and gen move for white, and also you can undo. Yeah, and there are shortcuts. So F1 prints the best AI move, and undo F2 makes the undo. These are the shortcuts. And it might happen that sometimes the variation is not, well, in this particular case, okay, sometimes it goes to a different variation. I'll probably show that in my game. You can also load the entire SGF file, which is the part of the Katago functionality, but that's not very useful. So you can also clear board, obviously. So the board cleared. Okay, now, yeah, you might think that this is like absolutely pointless. Say you want to play against Katago, you then may press either say gen move like white, and then you play yourself, and then you may press F1. Say you want to analyze the variation, yeah. You see like what AI would do. Okay, I don't like it, so maybe this move. So what AI would do? Okay, this one. Then I play here. What AI would do? Okay, this one. And say I go for kind of a variation, and I wonder how good is this? So I can run the final score, and it would show me. It probably makes the play out here. Not quite sure. Probably makes the play out until the very end. Yeah, now it should print the okay white plus 1.5 according to Katago. So this is like slightly better for white. AI thinks. So yeah, good. So let me clear the board. Now, my Go rank estimator program that I've been demonstrated many times earlier as well. So just execute. And this is one of the games I recently played on IGS. It just analyzes since this is the rank estimator, it estimates the performance from the Katago perspective. Another piece of software of mine, which I personally consider to be quite useful because you may reveal cheaters using this software. Like you're playing like 7Q, but he plays like 5 done. Something wrong there. Either he got an enlightenment for the time being, or maybe just cheating. So, let me make this always on top. Okay, so that, yeah. So, this is the Kifo style game record. And the way how I can work with this estimator and my Katago client is the following. So I can manually input the moves. See the moves here and manually input them over in here. This is like a practice. So if you use just a normal SGF editor, you may scroll the mouse and the game appears there. And if you do the auto analysis in Lazy GUI, for instance, you're like getting all the answers at once, but you're not doing any work. You may just observe the results quickly, maybe remember something, maybe not, maybe doing the same mistakes again. But you don't particularly play the game out again during the analysis. You just see how it has been played. You replaying automatically. You're not playing through the moves. I remember from my chess backgrounds when I was coming to my teacher with a game record on a piece of paper, and we have been setting up the position, like the game from the very first move. And I never played Go on the real board, so, but probably that is the same. So if you have Keyful like this, you take the real Go board and you start with placing stones on the board, and you like live through the game one more time. So this is like practice, and if you make a mistake, if you just replay, you may not feel that the move that you have just seen as a mistake. But if you play this out again by clicking the mouse, you might think, okay, what the hell is that? Why did I play that way? It's not a good move. Also, you may have some questions like some state in a position where you don't particularly know where to move, and that is where Katago variations might become quite useful. So, I will now try to analyze the game that I've played. So this game is very interesting because I killed this white group. I've been playing with black. I killed this white group, and also I killed this white group. So it's very huge. So black plus 76.5. This is a huge win by me. My opponent was 7Q. I was also 7Q. So this is the 7Q game played at IGS yesterday, I guess. So I was evaluated as 4Q. My opponent was evaluated as 10Q. So he didn't do well. I didn't do pretty well either. So my the biggest evaluation that I got was like 4 done for one of the games. I may probably even show you that game. Maybe a little bit later. Yeah, I may show you that game as well. But for now, let's just try to analyze this one. So, move 1, 4, 4. Okay. Move 2, so Kamoko point. Okay, move 3. So since I was playing black, without looking here, I thought that where I usually play here. So checking out, yeah, move 3. So move 4 should be somewhere in this area. Move 4, so he plays the horseshoe point here. Then here, usually I play the knight's move approach. Was it the case? Move number 5, yes. 5. So he could have answered like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So 5, 6. 6, 7, yeah. 6, 7. And then usually the Joseki move is here, so I'm watching this area. Okay, but we got the move 8, so this is the 2 space jump. Okay, 2 space jumps, not very good. Sometimes you may play here still. If I play this one, you may not. So say I want to try some other variations. So I can either type undo here, or I can use the shortcut F2, which would undo the move. So what would be the AI move? So I think that this move is weird. So I just undo the move and ask the AI. Okay, AI thinks that this move is much better. So yeah, so this is like the difference. I can run the final score to compare this. Let's try this final score. Final score. Would it be over in here now? So for the normal continuation, like the AI would suggest, this would be white plus half a point. Okay, but for the actual continuation, yeah, by the way, if you're not sure about the commands, you can always run the list commands to see all the available commands. The analysis commands kind of, yes, also have a point. Analysis commands like LZ, analyze, for instance, they usually work like those are mostly used in like Lazy GUI, for instance, printing all this blue square, blue circles, etc. It's not quite working here because for some unknown reason, it does not capture the info lines, bringing the variations in. So it's not interactive. So I'm only using it for those like static commands like generate move, basically. But again, for my purposes, that's fair enough. So I'm not trying to make a lazy replacement or something. I'm just making a tool for myself. Okay. Anyway, so I remember that I played the 3-3 invasion. So this is move number 9. Okay. So usually this might be played, but you see, like it's 12. It's not 10. So he invades the 3-3 himself. So 10, 11. And then he suddenly plays here 12, 13, and then again here 14, 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here we play for the Joseki, and here I also continue the Joseki 19, 20. So this is it. And then I play this one 21, 22. This is not very good because 23. He should have cut here. He didn't even do that. He just takes. So 24, and I have 25 this move. So I got influence to the right-hand side and also to the top side, and this is like really good. So from here on, what he should do, yeah, now I will probably be capable of showing the different approaches by AI. So it sometimes gives different approaches. So F1. So this is one variation. This is one variation, yeah, how to continue the game. Okay, and it also gives, in this particular position, it gives another variation. So it might give this, it might give this. It's quite random, so you don't know which one occurs. Anyway, yeah, I don't quite remember what he played next, to be honest. So move number 25. 26, where did he play then? Maybe here? Yes, 26, 27. So 26, 27, 28 he took, and I probably protected 29. Yes, I have protected with the move 29. So next one is move 30, and I have no idea where the move 30 occurred, to be honest. Maybe here? Nope. Yeah, I have no idea. So this is where the work starts. Yeah. Move 30. Where did he play? 38, 40. This is not 30. So where should I play? Maybe approaching the corner. So this is where the work starts. Imagine I've been using the normal SGF editor. I just scroll my wheel and get the next move being showed on board. In this case, it's not the case. I need to work. I need to find the move number 30, which I have no idea where that move. Okay, I finally found this. So move number 30. So, oh my goodness, where is that? It's like 2-space jump from these 2 stones. Yep. 2-space jump from these 2 stones. This is the move. Yep. 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the move. So this is where he played. Okay, 31. I played this one, yep. So it's like large knight's move. I play this one. Yeah, well, this looks pretty obvious. I wonder where would AI play. So I may check this out. So take back and ask AI. Okay, this is one AI variation, is to develop the left-hand side, but it gives this one to white, which I didn't quite want to have, because now white has a living shape. Well, obviously AI variation is better what I played, but yeah, let's see if there is a different alternative approach. Doesn't seem to be any alternative approach there. Yeah, seems like only one move. And yeah, I can also see the difference in score. Also, the graph of the score graph is being presented here. So I'm currently at move number 30, 31. So it's somewhere in here, and the current evaluation is slightly better for black. So not very much, but slightly better for black according to this graph. So this is 0. This is slightly better for black. Okay, 30, 31, 32. He instantly does this. 33, 34. Maybe not the best ever continuation, but yeah, we got this one. 35. I've no idea where did I play next. Maybe somewhere in here. 35, 39, 33, 30, 34. So this is where the work starts, yeah? You don't have an option to scroll through the SGF. You need to manually find the move. It's okay that I may not remember the dump move by my opponent, but I don't remember the dump move by myself either. So it's like I see the position and I kind of like, I have to play the move one more time. That's the idea. So it's not very obvious. So maybe 2-space jump? Nope, it's not the case. 35. Yeah, I can just eventually spot the move, but 36, interestingly. Oh, 35 here. Whoa! So I did the move that AI suggested, 35. Hold on a sec, is that the move? Ah, this is just a... hold on a sec, no, AI suggested here. This is the 1-space jump, so I play this one. I wonder what AI thinks. So... still AI thinks that this move is better, yeah? Yeah, and I play this one. which is probably worse, but yeah. So he plays 36. I didn't block. I didn't block, which is, I don't know if that is good or not. 35, 36, 37. So did I play away? I didn't play this. I remember this position. I was thinking like I would rather play some bigger move, but and allow him playing there. 37 maybe somewhere in bottom. No, okay, 37. I accidentally spotted the move. Oh yeah, this makes sense. From my Q mind, this makes sense. Yeah, so I played the stop point. I played this one. 37. I wonder what AI thinks here. Yeah, like looks like not very obvious move. So AI suggests just blocking, yeah. Or alternatively doing this, which is also interesting. So yeah, I don't hate the best AI move here. But again, the fact that I don't hit the best AI move doesn't necessarily mean that my move is not within the best 5 AI moves or best 10 AI moves, maybe. And again, this performance is calculated based on what is the move number, uh, what move number my move represents. Say I may move that AI thinks like this is AI move 12, yeah, AI move 20, or AI move 5. And based on the average value of those moves, the rank is calculated. This is my kind of own invention, but it works quite stably, nicely, because it's like you can always check the game performance against the neural net. So yeah, it's like objective evaluation of the performance. Yeah, so I play this one, which yeah, from my QMI perspective, looks to be reasonable. He still have potentially some invasion points here, maybe. So this is move number 37. 38, he makes use of the fact that probably this is the AI move. I think this might be the AI move. No. No, yeah, he doesn't like that move. Okay, so probably doesn't make sense. 38, 39. And he blocks 40, which is like, this is so slow. And yeah, okay, guys. So, it takes quite a long time to walk through the game. But I'm telling you, I just feel how I work out the game. Even before checking out some variations, maybe some, I don't know, some alternatives, which also might be the case. So, like, say, I don't know what to play in this position, so I start asking AI, for instance, what would be the AI approach for this position? So, this is going to be the AI approach, and I do a bit more until I see what would be the plans by the AI and how likely that is going to perform. So yeah, AI plan is trying to kill this, and potentially trying to kill this, but probably it escapes. And after a few moves played by AI, I may run the final score again. And with a perfect AI play, this should result in, what would be the score? Not quite clear. Black plus 6.5, not much. Yeah, not much. Yeah. So in the actual game, the performance started to grow. Like, not the performance, but the amount of points I won started growing. He later invaded here, and I killed the group, which is reflected over in here, etc., etc. Yeah, but this didn't happen in the game, so yeah, I can still go back and yeah, I don't want it to continue now because this is just for the sake of demonstration. Yeah, so this was the actual game position. Okay, so I hope this is clear In terms of like how in particular did I um, intend to work with this program? Yeah, and I didn't even intend that. I just made this program, and then later in the evening, yesterday, I thought, okay, this is the traditional way of how to analyze games, and this makes me play through the game over and over, like again, and it takes time, but it also like makes me like working out, makes me work out. Okay, so I promised to show you a game where my performance has been evaluated as the fourth done. Let me quickly find the game. Don't need this for now. This was against this guy, SGF. So, just want to show you the this done evaluation. It might be a little bit different because it's not exactly the same every time, but generally it's like much better for me. Okay, cut, paste, and run. Yeah, I also made a download there so that the very last game for my account, so that when I say I play the game in IGS, and the last game can be automatically downloaded. It's not useful for you, but it's very useful for me. Okay, this is the game. Yeah, fourth done here. So I was playing black. Yeah. Um, mm, the graph is like this. Although, yeah, around move 38 maybe, I wasn't that great. Interesting, yeah. I wasn't that great. But eventually, yeah, you know what? Probably I invest some time to kind of show you this game because it's quite short, but also quite nice. Really like it. Um, just to play out the game, yeah. Don't really want to show the evaluation. So evaluation is shown here on the graph, and yeah, so it's quite good. So I started like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very classical horseshoe point setup. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Pro players like playing this way. Okay, 7. Where did he play? He didn't invade instantly. Nope. 7, move number 8. How did he play? Can I remember? Maybe somewhere invading. Nope. I don't remember what my opponent played. 8. What is this? Oh, interesting, yeah. He tries to secure the corner. So I didn't know what to do. I played this one. Here, Katago suggests playing here, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, again, like, so the move that he wants to play here next, which makes sense here or here, trying to enlarge his corner. So, like, from the perspective of like an idea, it makes sense. So I needed to play the move that prevents from that. But Katago suggested this move, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's even just the 3/3 invasion. Okay, when I've been analyzing this with Lazy, it sort of did. So if opponent replies here, then still like this is okay. Katago thinks this is okay, but with Lazy and a deeper analysis, I saw this move. has been suggested by Katago as well. So yeah, the depth of analysis matters, but yeah, I can basically the Katago configuration that is used for my Katago. And by the way, the network is like 5 years old or something. So because on my Raspberry Pi 5, it's not capable of running the latest network. It just making a single move, it takes ages. So a single play out with a new network takes quite a long time. Not even talking about 10 playouts or 100 playouts. But with this one, it's sort of okay. This is like one playout, I think. So it's a very shallow search. I can set within the Katago config to make it like 10 or something. Then it would be thinking a bit longer. But for my level, my IGS 7Q, this is fairly enough with just this. Is like quite fast and cool. So I play this one because I didn't want him to play here, so I played 9 over in here. He played 10, which is I wasn't really going to invade the 3-3 at this point, so it doesn't seem to make sense. So 10 and then 11. 11 here, so I'll just approach. 11, 12, he pinces. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. Then 19. Did I play here? Nope. I don't remember where did I play. By the way, this 4 down means that the average move that I've been making, the average value, is somewhere in the range of the first 10 Katago moves. That's what this means. So it means that there was no move that was particularly worse than something like Katago 10th move. Around like that, very, very roughly. Okay, so 18. Where is the 19? I have no idea. I didn't invade yet. Okay, so I don't know where is 19. I need to think. I need to work out again. 19, maybe here? Nope, wasn't played. Here. Where would I play if I play this position now? So his Moist has been big, growing big. I'll probably try to, I don't know, would have invaded somewhere. Okay, 19. Okay, this is where I played. 19, 20. And now probably try to invade. Okay, 21, invasion. We got invasion. Is this? Yeah, this is the start point. Yeah, here I remember Katago suggested playing some of these stones when I've been analyzing this with Lazy. With this shallow approach, we can also see, yeah, it's the same. It's literally the same as with Lizzie. So should have played here maybe. But later Katago also found this move. Maybe not as good as this one, but still. The idea of playing here is basically, just to give you an idea. So when I play here, he may just play this one, and even if I try to make a base, it's not quite big, so it might not be good. But if I play this one and say he kicks me off, then I can probably have a slightly bigger base. Although, yeah, it doesn't seem to make much of a sense. Here, ladder favors me, so he's not going to cut. So maybe that was the consideration. So yeah. Obviously in Lazy you may have a look at the variation straight ahead. And here you need to think on your own and do things manually. Yeah, this takes more time, but it takes more work out. More work out. So 20, 21. 21. How did he respond to this? Did he try to cover me? Nope. 21. Did he play away? I don't believe he played away. 21. Hmm. Where did he play? I don't know. So work. Again, work. Okay. So since I don't know where is that, I need to think. How would I play as white here? Or what have I been thinking about? I don't know, probably as white. I would have played here or here. Yep. Or maybe here trying to enlarge the Moya and then try to kill. So this area or this area maybe. Or invading the corner or invading this corner. Or maybe here. By the way, is that the case? Nope. So 21, move number 22. So no corner invasion, no corner invasion here, no side, top, no top. 22, okay, shoulder hit. He plays the shoulder hit. 22, 23, 24, 25, 60, oh, sorry, 25, 26. He cuts, okay, 26, he cuts. Where is the 27? 27 here, honey. 28, 29, blocking. 30, he extends. Did I play here? 31? I played here. Yeah, 31. Here, by the way, a much better continuation is to play here. That's another move that Katago suggested to me earlier. Let's see if it does here. Yeah, it does. And if, say, white resists, then it's not very much of working because of Atari, and then it just goes, oh, another Atari, and just runs out, and then probably kills the two stones. Yeah, this is the variation. Already I have a living group, almost living group, one eye here, potentially another eye here, maybe jumping out. So it's much easier to live this way. The way I play wasn't as good, so yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't find that move I played here. 31, 32, 33, 34, he blocks. Did I play here? 35? Here? One, two, three, four. Yeah, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I'm running out. 39, 40. 41, 42, and looks like I'm not doing very nicely here, but I have the 43, 44, 45. Where is the 46? 46, 47, 48. Yeah, and here I've been reading for a long time, but it turns out that 48, 49, this move kind of works. So if it plays here, I just play this one. And say he tries something, I just take. It's not going to be the case. So 49, 50, 51. Where is the 52? 53, 54. Where is the 52? 51. 52. Okay, probably I ignore this. 53. Yeah, and starting with this move, a very interesting part of the game begins here. So 53, 54, 55, I cut. 56, 57, 58. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Where is the 64? Okay, 64 here. Atari. 64. Yeah, and here, guys, I was thinking for a very long time. So, the variation that I thought was like going like this. It didn't quite work, but I'm just showing how I have been reading this. This, and here, well, obviously he takes then Atari this one. And here I thought that, okay, I kind of have one liberty, but he has cool. And what am I going to be doing here? But it turns out that these stones are not actually living here, and they are dying. And unfortunately, this group cannot be killed. So I have calculated up until this point, and here I couldn't come up with a decent evaluation. But I thought that the idea itself is good enough to try to make this move to cut here. So this is what I had in mind. So yeah, here unfortunately, just to give an AI variation, it's not working. You see, it's not AI is not defending. Okay, here it defends, but okay, say he defends. Damn it. Say he defends. So if I play this one, he takes. This he takes. So nope. So if I play this one, it just takes this one, and again, I cannot do anything. So this is not working, unfortunately. But nevertheless, AI kind of likes the cutting move. And when I've been analyzing this using Lizzie, it was the case. Okay, is it going to be the case? No. Yeah, the current Katago version doesn't quite like it. Like it's with this small, shallow search, it's not quite doesn't quite like this. So he probably thinks that okay, it's not going to work, and just try to run out, try to save this group. Yeah, but I thought that this move looks so tempting. So I played 65, 66. 67, and here my opponent got afraid. He didn't want to play this one. Yeah, by the way, on this move, Katago suggests just connecting. That's the other analysis that I made like earlier. And probably I wonder is it going to even here even here it suggests just connecting, and the variation might go like okay, this is not not that variation really. Not that variation. Yeah, I really start thinking about maybe I should make it a bigger, like a deeper search. It might be the case. I feel like I may want that. Just at least 10 playouts, maybe that would take a second or something. That could be fine. Yeah, but he didn't play this. He got afraid. He thought that maybe I can maybe he read out something like if I had a stone in here. So say Say just give a random move. Say I had the stone here. In this case, I think it works. So this, and then just what? Then just this. End of game. And I just kill. So if I had this stone, it could work. Unfortunately, it did not, because I didn't have a stone there. So he played away at this point, so 67, 68, I don't even remember. 68, he just played away somewhere. Where did he play away? Where did he play away? 68, I have no idea. Okay, 68. Whoa! He does this. Interesting, yeah? Yeah, probably AI would just extend. Yeah, AI just extends, so this is fine. But he got afraid, so he gives me two stones. 69, no, 70. He takes the stone and he reinsures the fact that his group is safe. Although not quite really, because I still may cut here potentially, and this would introduce lots of threats. So 70, he took. Next move, 71. Where could I play? Here? Yeah! No, here! Whoa! 71, 72. Then I probably played somewhere on the side, yeah. 73. 73 is this move, yeah? Large noise move. Yeah, 73. 74. 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So that if it plays here, I just block 81. So move number 82. Where did he play? Move number 82. I don't remember. Move number 82. 82. 83. 84. Move number 84. White, move number 84. This is so interesting. I don't know. I really think this is exciting. Like, I really feel like I work out my go. 84. Okay, where should I play? Where should I play? Somewhere in this area. Ah, maybe 84 was. Did he invade? Nope. He didn't invade. What could he do? 84. Okay, I don't know. Where will the AI play the A move 84? Okay. Okay, he didn't play neither of these. 84. 84. I don't remember. Jumping out. What did he do? If I was white, I don't know. Yeah, 3-3 invasion is good. Maybe trying to invade here. This is 86. Probably 84. It could have been here. Yeah, because of the code. Yeah, hold on a sec. It might not be shown if this is the captured stone by Co. 83, 84, 85. I think that probably this one. So this is like this. I think this was here. Say this one is 84, 85. 86. 87. Okay, I messed up. Yeah, I start remembering the variation. Yeah, probably this one. Hold on, this. Now this is 87, 88, 80, 89, yeah. 90, yes, 91. 92, 93, yeah, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, 99, and 100 he takes, and 101. And this is this is how we went. And now I remember. Yeah, when it comes to code, this is interesting, but on the diagrams in books, when you have the variations, they're also not being reflected, like with overlapping moves. So this is more like this 101. Yeah, when it comes to code, it gets even more interesting because you need to figure out how things went and reconstructing things, which is interesting. Okay, 101. 102. 108. 102. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, he approaches, yeah. 103, 104, 105, 106. Yeah, makes sense. We played a Josaki here. 107. I block. Not this. Okay, he invades 108. Yeah. I didn't do anything to this. Didn't jump out, didn't cover. 108. 108. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 109. This one. 110. It doesn't want me to. Yeah, I was going to connect from beneath, like I usually do. Yeah. 110. 111. Still here. 112. 113. He didn't cut. 114. 115, 116, 117, 118. Yeah. So he got this territory. Yeah, he took some of my territories, but I'm getting the influence. So 118, 119. Next move by me, 119. Where did I play the next move? This one? Nope. I have no idea. When did I play the 119? Whoa. I don't remember. 119, I connect, yeah. Yeah, by the way, Katago also like this move, I remember. Not sure if this is the, for this particular search. Yeah, this shallow one doesn't like it, but yeah. In Lise, I remember Katago didn't mind playing here. Yeah, just have a solid connection all over the place. 119, 120. Looks very slow. 121. I should, okay, 121. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Oh, okay, yeah, I now remember. Yeah, so I'm trying to create some, to enclose some oil. Yeah. Okay, 121. 122. What did he do? What did he do? 122. 24. Maybe there was another code fighting or something. If there is no 122. It doesn't look to be the case. 122 is here. 22, 123. Yeah, 124. 125, 26, 127. Cuts, 28. Atari, 29. 30, 31, 32. 133 by me, next move. I didn't do this instantly. I don't remember, where did I play next in this position? What was my idea? I should probably play somewhere in here. 133, yeah, this one. 133. 134. This one. He invades the 3-3. 134. 135. 136. 37. 38. I mean, yeah, this one, 40, 41, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Yeah, he did play well here. 145. So this is the sequence. Yeah, I think this is the sequence. Yeah, I didn't play well here. This stone usually never works. Like the site who got the 3-3 invasion. It kills the 3-3 stone eventually. It gives up some points in Yosa, but it kills the stone. My opponent probably didn't know that, so he tried to save it, but got a worse position eventually. Okay, 145. This is 145. So 146 for whites. 148. He played away. 140. 6. $147 is here. This is 147. Oh, interesting. 145, 146. Where is that? $146. I have no idea what it did next. Mysterious 146. Where is that? So I played this Kasumi. I mean, no, it wasn't Kasumi, it was the two-space jump. I played this one. So he plays something and I played away. 147. So he could play some Tanuki move. 145. 2, 4, 6. Not that many stones left here. Oh, 146. Tricky one. Finally found it. Okay, 146. And I play 147. 148. 49. 50, 51. He cuts 52. 153 Atari. 54. 155 Atari. 56, 57, 58, 159. And he doesn't block for some reason. 159. Where is his 160? Here. $160. A very strange move. Hold on a sec. Did he put himself in Atari now? Is that the case, really? I could just take. Is that really the case? Hold on. No way. Cannot be the case. Or can it be the case? So 159. I'm threatening Atari. And he plays this one. 160. I probably didn't even realize that I can capture here instantly. I didn't realize I could capture instantly. Oh my goodness, I could capture, but I played this one, 161. He played 162 and I play here and he resigns. Yeah, but essentially I just realized I didn't see this during the game. That he put himself into Atari. Okay, guys, so just maybe I messed up something. I just really want to no, it's here. It's here. I just really want to see, was it the case? You see, like, how is it different with a normal SGF viewer? You're not working at all. You just see the game. It's not interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I could just stay. Whoa! I didn't even see this during analysis. Can you believe? During analysis with Lizzie, I didn't see this move. I really didn't see this move. I did not see this move. He puts himself into a Atari. Damn it! But with this approach, I found it. I found it with this kind of approach. Can you believe? This is so amazing. Yeah, fantastic. How can it be? He puts himself into Atari. Whoa, really cool, isn't it? So yeah, this game is evaluated as a fourth done by Katago. So yeah, it's probably the best performance I ever had in my games. The highest performance. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. There would be a link in the description down below the video to where you can download and give it a try to this Katago user interface. Well, obviously, most likely if you're a developer, if you're just a user, especially if you're on Windows, you better don't try it. It's complicated. Setting up the Node.js environment, yeah. But if you're a developer and if you're interested in this kind of minimalist, simple technologies, it might be interesting to you. Yeah, one last thing before I forgot. One last thing is when you download it, when you do npm install to install the dependencies, before running npm start to run the entire application, it's all reflected in the README. You can find it there. You need to go to main.js, open it with the text editor, and change these values. So the path where your Katago lives, the path where the net for your Katago lives, and the path where the config file for your Katago lives. So you see, like, these are paths specific to my particular system in my CMK home folder. Right, I have my own very old network, etc., etc. So you need to change these values. If you don't do that, the app is not going to work. So make sure to change these values. So yeah, this is it from my side. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you in the next one. Until then, and cheers.